All right, we're pretty much done day 2 of cutting wood. We got still one more pile to go, just one big ass pile. But things are looking good back here. Got Nathan working behind me with the tractor, just giving a little scrape because we just cleaned up a bunch of stuff. So I'll show you where we're at. Made a little jump. Parker was here yesterday. So this is the back section. Still a lot of cleaning up to do back here, but we're gonna probably put maybe campers back there behind the berms and stuff. And the big piles are in the way, so you can't really see how big the big section is, but that's where we're gonna put essentially some doubles, some rhythm section stuff, nice big tabletop, and we just gotta burn this wood and get that stuff out of here. Part of phase 2 cleaning up is probably gonna be a big party, big bonfire. After that, we can start having fun terraforming, making the track. That's where it's going to get real cool. I think we're about tired of cleaning it up.
RM250 shock.
Oh yeah. So you want to explain what's going on, or do you want me to do it?
Oh, you can go ahead.
Okay. Dude, what's happening? Back in the shop today. It's Wednesday night, or what day? Tuesday night. It's just one of those nights. We just got back from work, kind of tired, kind of one of those days. But we figured, why not try to get this RM125 running. Now this bike we picked up a couple towns over. We actually got a pretty decent deal. It was cheap enough to be worth picking up right away. It's got no paperwork, nothing like that, no registration, so we can't really sell it for money or anything. But it's got good bones, it's got some good parts on it. It ran, more or less. So the big problem on this bike is actually the rear shock, as you probably just saw in a little video clip. So what we're gonna do here is, since we part out bikes, we've got a stockpile of stuff that's in here. We happen to have a suspension off of 2001 RM250. Now Nathan and I are both big dudes, we're pretty heavy for these bikes, so that 250 suspension should work out pretty good. It's on a little 125, and I know the 125 is actually kind of small for us, but the good thing about these bikes is that they're just so much fun to ride. They're lightweight. When the power band hits, it's a blast. If you haven't tried one, try one. This is the reason for all that background noise, just so you guys know, because I can't really do anything about it. I'm not gonna kick her out. So the name of the game today, I think, is trying to get that shock to fit in there.
Yeah, we'll see if the 250 and 125 are the same. They should be, but hopefully it gives us a little bit more sport when we're landing the big jumps.
All right, we're digging in. We got to pull the tail off this thing. Look at that back fender. That is wrecked. Get this whole section off. This bike obviously needs a lot of love. Like I said, it's got some good bones. Like the motor is really good. The plastic is wrecked. The shock in the back is finished. The front maybe not so bad, but that looks pretty dirty. But I mean, it's got pro circuit pipe on it. It's hopefully jetted for that. We should have got fuel.
What's up?
We should have got some fresh fuel.
Well, I have a can in my car.
Oh.
We just gotta mix it up, and
Oh, okay.
that should make it run better.
Cool.
Yeah, that exhaust thing is actually holding up pretty good.
Yay. Technology.
Yeah, seriously. Well, that's one piece off.
Free stickers. Anybody can guess what brand of can this is.
Yeah. Brassard Montreal.
Oh, it was beer.
What was beer? Oh, I'm not surprised that it's beer. It's a freaking 90s two-stroke.
So here's what we're looking at. What do you think? Look at this. These two shocks. Now this one is off the 125, and this one is from the 250. They look pretty similar. But who knows, this looks a bit different. That's wider. Hopefully it's not a problem. Top halves look pretty close, but I'm feeling like this one here, the 250, is a little more narrow as well. Let's see what happens.
I just have to put some spacers.
Yeah. Worst case scenario, we'll be all right. This.
Missing a bolt.
Which one way? Oh, you read? Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's gonna be another thing that we gotta figure out. Make sure she has all the horsepower.
I think it's gonna be a lot of figure out as we go.
Yeah, I think so. Like this plate here. Let's see. This is the one I was fighting the grip. This is the only reason why I took the tank off. It was hidden underneath it. When I put the tank back on, I'm gonna hang it a little lower so we can get to everything without taking the tank off.
Now the excuse on this one is going to be that we picked up this bike, we didn't actually take it out and ride it, except for in the front yard for a couple seconds. So that dirt's not our fault. Oh, good. Yeah, those are tough to get. You know it's a special screwdriver for that?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Carburetors take a... That's why they commonly get stripped.
People use the wrong screwdriver. I just push as hard as I can.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do too.
And turn.
But, you know...
Watch this. You know what I always do? See this little hose holders? I always forget to put those back on.
Okay, you gonna do it again?
Yes. I'm definitely gonna end up doing it. You know, when you're really excited to start freaking ride something, you're not thinking about where your hoses go.
We're just a carb clean away, man. Almost there.
And a shock, but
yeah,
that'll do the trick. And we should be looking good.
Okay.
We'll find out when we have it back together and try and give it some throttle, but for right now, I'm not too worried about it.
Jolly good. So we're gonna get it running. Put one of them shocks on the back. And I don't know, what, like,
Like I said, we didn't really ride it that much when we got it. We just felt how bad the back shock was on it and just decided, no, we don't want to go end over front, so. Alright, well let's see if the shock fits, and then I'll be shocked. See how loose it is. If it's a little bit play, I'm not too worried, but.
no, it's it, as long as it actually goes on.
You know what? It's perfect.
Really?
It slides.
Oh, boom shakalaka.
Nice and snug down there. It looks like it's backwards, but
Hey, you can't do everything right the first time.
nice and snug down there. It looks like it's gonna be pretty good up here.
We're good.
I'm happy with that.
Oh, I was tipping almost down over.
Up, 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 up more than I thought. Okay, there we go.
All right.
That was easy.
Right there.
Do not put them tight. It's like a brand new back fender.
Floppy back fender bothers me.
Not until someone does what I did the other day.
Damn. All right, it's almost showtime, so really just gonna put the seat back on, put some fuel in it. It's got oil. I just adjusted the chain so it doesn't fall off. It's not perfectly adjusted, obviously, but we'll throw some oil on that. Just a little preventative maintenance, just in case it does kind of run good, and we can beat on it for a bit without worrying too much. But once it starts, we'll throw the kid on the bike, have him go rip it, see how it feels. Maybe we're gonna have to change the front forks too. The back end was completely shot. So we put a 250 shock on there, which is a lot heavier. That might cause a problem, might be a good thing. We're gonna find out.
Siphon, this is hard.
She said don't call my phone on a Friday night, but I never did listen. So I'ma hit you now on a FaceTime, and I know you won't miss it. Girl, I know you waited so long for me. You only wanna talk to the soul of me. Things ain't working. That doesn't mean I won't try. She said, stop it. You always let me down when I want to. I can't help it. I can't let you forget me. aside, girl, I try. Let's remember all
Front
the
brake?
times that we did have. In the times that made you laugh, when you said upon my
Okay,
lap,
be
when the
careful.
brothers was a pack, 'cause the girl play it back and forth we go. That ain't all she wrote. And since I'm moving far, I tried moving on. I can't let you forget me.
I guess it works.
She said, stop it. You always let me down when I want you. I can't help it, but I can't let you forget me.
Man, this thing runs like perfect.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it runs so good. Like,
Nice.
I don't understand. Like that's pretty freaking good for a cheap bike.
Nice. Okay, that makes me
shock.
happy, and it feels okay.
Yeah, the shock feels so good now.
Yeah. I guess you don't have anything to base it on, but the front doesn't feel too weak, or like it's rideable.
Oh yeah, the front's actually like really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like it feels like stiff.
Oh okay.
Like I gotta take I'd have to bounce it over something to really feel it, but
Yeah.
I'm actually really surprised how good that feels. The clutch is a little strange. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it maybe just hasn't been used in a while.
Okay.
But other than that, like it's really good. I'll take it for a rider.
I got flip flops on.
I like this, like,
And we're running out of sunlight, so. Wow.
that's really good. I think that's a success.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, well, let's park it.
Yeah.
Here, just the kickstand.
Oh yeah, I'll get it for you.
I think that was a little bit of maybe old fuel and stuff, I guess. Well, that was a really good success.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, like, honestly, I think we could launch this bike pretty good because the suspension actually feels really stiff. Like, amazingly.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what it is, but
Okay.
like,
That's
that rear shock was probably pretty fresh because,
Well, it's from a heavier bike too.
well, that's it. So, I don't know. Kind of surprised. Where the hell? Okay. Yeah, no, that's pretty. It's peppy too. Like
Yeah.
it's got power.
Does it kick a bit harder than the CR we had, or?
It's probably built the same as the CR, I would
Okay.
say. The only thing is this one's a little bit scarier now because the brakes, there's none at all. I went to push, like, came out the door, went to push the foot brake, 0. Went to pull the handbrake, 0. So those are probably gonna have to be bled, but other than that, I don't know. It's gonna be a good mess around bike, let's just say.
Okay. Cool.
That's pretty fun though. You can't get nothing better than a 2-stroke.
One down. One to go.